Let's have a look at another 2 cards. The Page of Pentacles, new ideas, new opportunities, potential new projects coming in, financial news, maybe good news about, something that has financial impact, together with the Six of Swords. So the Six of Swords is about moving forward, moving away from what no longer serves you, only having the clothes on your back, and that you are moving away and leaving the old baggage behind. So this is potentially, you've really got to forget the past, move forward, because there might be a new opportunity that's coming in for you, but you've really got to let the past go. This could also be physically moving to another, let's call it country, state, place where you have a new opportunity. And this could also be really moving away from things that no longer serve you, from, let's say, a job that no longer serves you, or a house or something that's costing you too much money, something which no longer serves you, to be able to move into something more positive financially, where you can have better financial news and outcome.